drum is the heartbeat, the energy of the Hanya Shinyo. And you don't perform a musical masterpiece, you have to sing it with your own voice, with good energy, present, with your awareness, fresh, open. Here, the group has a tendency to slow down in the tempo. So you, as the drums, you have to keep up the tempo. You have even to sing a little in front of the tempo. So you follow your singing, you concentrate on your singing, and the drum follow your singing, not the other way around. Right hand, you give the beat or the groove. And the intermediates, the eighths, you do with your left hand. When you are a little more advanced, you try it with both hands, hand to hand. You can add some accents, for example. It's up to you. You must look that you don't make it for yourself to complicate, because then you start to lose the tempo, timing. You confuse everybody. Keep it easy, and the people can follow you easy and stay in the good timing, good energy. This is a function of the drums. You have some phrases which are more long. It's a certain kind of double time, and you can give the accent on the offbeat. It is shiki shiki zokuze. You can do it normally, but you can give the accent on the offbeat. I do it again. So you leave the first, and you just give the accent on the offbeat. This you can do because then the group stays in the same timing. It's not so complicated, you have to study a little. But there are some phrases in the Hanya Shinyo which are more long, like the shiki shiki zokuze, where you can do this very easy. In the end of the Hanya Shinyo, you have this. And with this, you have to be a little careful that it is not something like this, but it is something regular. It should be a regular drum fill, which means you have to adapt your tempo to your capacities. And it's no problem when you do this more slow, like this. No, you don't have to be so fast. It's just you adapt the tempo of this fill to your flexibility of your hands. You can do very fast, or you can do like this.